Hi children, how are you? I hope you are well. What are you doing home tasks? You have to do regular home tasks at home. In the last class, we solved exercise 1 from the mental arithmetic book. Today, we are going to solve exercise 2 from this book. So now start. Number 1, number 1, 72 plus 16. 72 plus 16, number 88. In 88 there are 8 tens. So write here 8 and here 8 ones. So write 8 ones. Now number 2, 95 minus 35. 95 minus 35, answer is 60. We know left side and right side will be equal. So here number 40, but left side number 60. So 40 need more 20. Like this, 60 minus 40, answer is 20. Number 3, 16 tens. We know 16 tens means 160. 160 plus 4. 160 plus 4, number is 164. 164. How many tens? How many tens in 400? How many tens in 400? So I have to calculate like this: 400 divided by 10. The answer is 40. Now number 5, 150. 150 minus 42. Simple minus. 150 minus 42. Answer is 108. Answer is 108. Next number 6. Take away 9. Take away 9 from 80. That means 80 from 80 minus 9. Answer is 71. Number 6, answer 71. Now number 7. 160 plus 160. Number is 320. In 320 there are 32 tens. So answer is 32. Answer is 32. Now number 8. 400. Write 400 plus 5 ones. So have to plus 5. So answer is 405. Now number 9. 3 more than 188. That means 188 plus 3. That means answer is 191. 191. And finally last number, that number is 10. How many hundreds? How many hundreds in 1,000? In 1,000. In 1,000, write 1,000 divided by 100. That means answer is only 10. In 1,000 there are 10 hundreds. Thanks to all.